Let's talk real estate. Daryl King. So the July stats just come out, and probably, not surprisingly, it was pretty close to last year. We were actually up 3.3%. We had 5,391 sales compared to last year of 5,220. Now let's go back a little further into the past. So in 2022, we had 4,912 sales. So pretty close. But then we go to the peak to 2021, where we had 9,339 sales. So you can see we peaked out at 9,399, went down 47% to 4,912. Last year we went up a bit, 5,220, and now we just had two drops of 0.25%. So we haven't really got to see the full effects of that yet. And hopefully in September we'll see another drop of another 0.25%. We can see the market is sort of bottomed out there. I mean, prices went down about, on an average, 1%, which is not a lot considering where the rates were. But the activity is just, we've pretty much, as you can see, 5,000 at 49.12 in 2022, 52.20, 53.91. So it's just starting. So I believe August we'll see a bit more of an upswing, and then when people come back from their holidays and that, you'll see more of a start to upswing. If you're sitting on the sidelines, the inventory is up basically 55.4%. For the month, it's 18.5%. So we got active listings of 23,877. So a lot of inventory out there. So what does that mean? For the buyers, they can search around and pick the house they want or the condo they want. And for the sellers, they need to not have so much fat on there. They need to make sure their house is prepared properly and that it's in the front of the line of these houses, because there is a lot of inventory out there. And I imagine in September, more will come, but so will more buyers. So we look at the big areas that of happening that we see. We see that the city of Toronto had 1,988 sales, and their average price was $1,087,436. Now, what affects the city of Toronto with the condo market is the condo market is the lowest it's been in basically 27 years. So that brings down their averages. So don't always be fooled by houses and condos, because they're two different things. They just bunch everything up, right? So then we go to Peel Region. They had 938 sales, and that's the first time I've seen it really being under 1,000 sales. And then the average was 1,065,043. And up in York Region, now they beat us by 2. The last 2 times we had beat them out by a bit. They're much bigger. We had 936 sales for an average of 1,305,476. We got a beautiful area. Come and visit us here, right? Come and live. And then you've got, Durham Region. They had 779 sales for an average price of $915,636. And Simcoe board, remember 2 boards. We have the Simcoe board, then you have the Toronto Real Estate Board, which is a smaller part of it, showed 168 for an average of 162. What it all means to everybody is that we're pretty much coming down to the bottom, and inventory will build up somewhat, which will keep the prices down. But let's keep the interest rates coming down, and then they'll start coming off. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, give us a call today, 905-907-5464. Our home's at darylking.com, and we'll try and break it down more, whatever it may suit for you. If you're an investor, great opportunities out there right now. I mean, some really good opportunities. There's a lot of assignment sales that are on the board. Anyway, have yourself a great summer. This is Daryl King. Take care. Bye-bye.